Ah, yes, there's nothing quite like getting a package in the mail that you've been eagerly waiting for. And today, well, today's a good day because inside this box, there's a jacket that's got the internet buzzing. Meet the Rainbow Country Hercules, a jacket steeped in heritage and praised for its craftsmanship. But is it really worth the hype? Let's find out.
Hey guys, I am unboxing a jacket from Japan today. And I'm excited because I've been waiting a really long time to order one of these, but the opportunity has not come. I'm just going to open this up. Sorry, I am wearing shorts and it's hot. It's 100 degrees out. Not the best time for jacket weather, but I had to order it because I had to see what all the fuss was all about.
Now, I've heard a lot about Rainbow Country from forums like the Fedora Lounge and other online communities. They say the leather is exceptional, 1.2 millimeters thick, vegetable tanned horsehide with an aniline finish that ages like a dream. The details? Impeccable. But you know, I've also heard some critiques here and there, and I'm curious to see if it meets the high expectations. First impressions are they packaged this up really nice, top-notch packaging, simple, clean, and protected. Oh my god. Wow, you can smell it right away. There's nothing like an aroma of this quality of leather. It's a sensory experience all on its own. This tan brown color, oh my god, stunning. Let's get this beauty out and see what it's all about.
I should take the box out of here now. My wife said, another brown leather jacket? Quality looks amazing. Sure hope it fits. I got a size 44 because the measurement said pit to pit was 58 centimeters. Alright guys, so I have just received a beautiful jacket from Japan, a Rainbow Country jacket, and it is beautiful. Let's try it on for you guys. I think it fits pretty damn good. It's a size 44 and their measurements pit to pit are 58 centimeters, which is like 23 inches, roughly, I think. This is it zipped up. It's really nice. How does it compare to my other jackets? That's a question for another video. But overall, it's won my heart. It's beautiful. I'm very happy with it. Love to know what you guys think in the comments. I found this on Instagram. I'll link it in the description. The shop is called Avenue, and I paid $1,400 delivered for this jacket. Yeah, $1,400 delivered. I feel like you can't beat that, like especially for being in California, by the way. I know that there's a new US distributor. I'm not going to name any names, but he's charging a lot. Like $21.50 or something, and that's not including shipping. Just it's a lot of money to spend. I spent $1,400, which I think is completely fair for this jacket. The Instagram name is Avenue2225. It looks like this, and they have this color, which is the one that I bought, and a seal brown and a black, and they have them all right now available. So I would definitely reach out to them. You can feel confident and knowing that you're definitely placing an order with a reputable company. Everything about it's really nice. You hear that? It's a nice zipper. The zipper, though, it is a lot smaller than the. I'll go into comparing things later. So, but you can see it's a little bit difficult for me to connect, maybe because I'm still getting used to it. It's got one inside pocket. The leather is super supple. You can tell it's gonna create beautiful tunneling on my arm sleeves. It's just overall, it's just a stunning jacket. I can see why they like this brand so much. Like, I'm wondering what's the fuss all about, and finally I have one, and yeah, it fits awesome. It fits me really nice, and the quality's incredible. It's incredible. Like, so the inside lining is like a wool, but the sleeves have this fun plaid. And I thought this would be really uncomfortable. It looks uncomfortable, but it's actually not. It's rather soft on your skin, and it's not that warm either. I mean, it's a warm jacket, but it's not. I'm not like, when I put it on, I'm not like, oh my god, I'm so hot. Like compared to my Badalassi Thedi, that thing's really hot when I have the inside liner in it. This thing is really comfortable. Super happy with it. I couldn't be more pleased, and I'm so glad that I talked to Mark, or Cool Leather Jackets, on Instagram, and asked him about sizing, because I almost ordered a size 42, and I'm so glad I didn't, because going through it with him, we realized that, and I actually went back and forth with the shop, Avenue. They were super helpful, by the way. I asked them to measure pit to pit, and they sent me pictures of measurements pit to pit, and it was confusing at first because the top of their measurements look like inches, but they're not inches, so it had me really confused. But we went back and forth, and finally came to the conclusion that the 44 is my size, because the 44 size pit to pit is 58 centimeters. It actually fits me really nicely. Very happy with it. Super comfortable jacket. Leather is incredible. Like, it's super supple, soft. It smells incredible. Just really lot of character to this leather, and you can tell that it's gonna patina like a monster, and it's just gonna be beautiful. The back of this thing, everything about it is really, really stunning. This is the jacket, Rainbow Country jacket from Japan. I bought it from the shop Avenue on Instagram. I'll link it in the description. Let me know what you guys think. It's a great deal. I'm not saying it should be, I don't think it should be more, because if you pay more, you might as well just go with a custom jacket and go with a Thedi or an Aero. But this is probably a little bit nicer quality than Aero. But compared to Thedi, there ain't no way. Thedi, I mean, this is really clean stitching, but there's something about a Thedi. This is super nice, beautiful quality. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So in conclusion, guys, I think that this was an awesome buy, and I definitely would recommend Rainbow Country to you if you're looking for a buy it for life leather jacket. It's an amazing quality, you can't go wrong, and it's probably one of the nicer makers out there, definitely. I still think Thedi is my favorite, but I still have not had my hands on a freewheeler's jacket. So, but overall the construction quality of this thing is insane. It's really nicely put together. I did notice a couple things with the leather on the back. Came like that out of the box. Nothing crazy, but I mean, you see, there's like these dimples in there. Wouldn't be happy if you spent over $2,000 to see that. But I'm just saying, you know, it's beautiful. Other than that, it's pretty much perfect. I don't see any crazy scars in the leather. That's the only thing I saw, and maybe the shop did that when they were putting it in the bag. The quality overall is incredible. The stitch work is incredible. I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. Helps my channel out. I know it's a small channel. I appreciate the support. I do plan on making another video soon about my 3 Badalassi jackets, a comparison video. I have other videos planned too, like an update video for my Shangri-La jacket, because that's Patina a lot since. But there's definitely more to come, so subscribe, and go check out my Instagram. I've been doing some fun reels on that. I definitely recommend checking out Rainbow Country. Incredible jacket, like, speaks for itself. All the people saying that it's amazing, it's true. The fuss is real. It's amazing. I like it. I love it, actually.
Rainbow Country is known for its meticulous attention to detail, and it shows. The stitching here is flawless, straight, consistent, and durable. The hardware, custom ball and chain zipper, giving it that authentic feel. And check out this liner, 100% wool melt-on for the body for warmth, and a flannel checker pattern in the sleeves. It's these small touches that set them apart. Now, I did notice a couple minor flaws, a tiny hole and some marks on the back. But honestly, for $1,400, I think this price is fair, and these small imperfections don't bother me too much, especially at this price point. That said, I've seen a US retailer selling these for $2,150, not including shipping. And if you're paying that much, I'd say you're better off going custom, personally. I wouldn't have bought this jacket if it was priced that high, but at $1,400, it's completely fair deal for the quality you're getting. Now, diving into the details of this jacket, starting off, you'll notice the stitching and construction right off the bat. You can see the precision and the variety of the seams. I believe they use French seams on the inside of the jacket, which not only add durability, but also give the jacket a clean and polished finish. The attention to detail here is undeniable. It's the little things like this that elevate a piece to something truly special. The pattern they've used for this jacket fits me really well, in my opinion. It's often said that Japanese brands tend to design jackets with longer cuts, which suit taller frames. I can definitely see that here. It's longer than my Aero jacket, but about the same length as my Thedi's. For an off-the-rack size, I think the pattern is excellent though. The fit is comfortable, flattering, and honestly, I'm really happy with how it looks on me. I think they nailed the pattern here. Now let's talk about the leather. This is vegetable tanned horsehide with an aniline finish, which means it's designed to age beautifully and develop a rich patina. But I did notice something interesting. It feels a bit thinner compared to some of my other vegetable tan leathers. It's not thin, but it seems like the top layer, or perhaps the grain layer, is thinner. You can see faint impressions from the sewing machine, those little bumps along the seams. I'm not sure if there's a specific term for that, but it's a sign of how the leather behaves during construction. Another thing I noticed is how easily it scratches. The leather has a T-core finish, so when it scratches, the darker outer layer reveals a lighter color underneath. This can look amazing over time as it develops character, but I can already see a couple spots here where it's already showing through. It's definitely something to keep in mind if you're hard on your jackets. That said, the leather still feels substantial, it's just a bit more delicate on the surface compared to some of the thicker hides I own. Overall, the craftsmanship is top-notch, the seams are tight, the stitching is even, and the construction methods add both durability and style. This jacket might not have the same heft as some of my others in my collection, but for $1,400 it delivers incredible value in terms of design and build quality. Alright, now that we've had a chance to try on the jacket and inspect every detail, here's my verdict. The Rainbow Country delivers on craftsmanship and style. Is it perfect? Not quite, but the quality is undeniable, and for $1,400 it's a solid investment. Would I call it the best? Well, Thedi still holds that title for me. But this Hercules jacket has definitely earned its place in my collection. So what do you think? Does Rainbow Country Hercules live up to its reputation? Let me know in the comments. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to bring you more content like this. Until next time.